we're at it again, guys. Got you guys. I have you guys on the GoPro on my head, and once again, I don't know how to do this. It's my first time, so let's see how it goes. As of right now, I can see the bolts to remove the headers. I think that's where I'm gonna start first, and then make my way back here. So I'm probably just gonna be picking up the camera once I start getting closer to removing everything. Alright, you guys, finally got the headers off. Damn, that was a pain in the butt. I recommend try to unplug the O2 sensor. Luckily I have the tool to remove the O2 sensor, because for some reason I was trying to remove my seat, but this bolt's pretty much stripped. So I had to use the bolt, removed it, and yeah, so mission, like I said, I'm learning as I go, so that's why it's taking me so long. But as you guys can see, finally got it. We're gonna be removing this big chunk. It's not too difficult. They're all 12 mils. Just one, there's hoses right here, so it's pretty tough to get a socket in there. But once you start loosening this panel, you could try to move the hose a little bit and it'll fit. I recommend using a socket, because if you use a drill or something, you don't want to cut that hose or anything. So, but other than that, yeah, it's pretty much easy. Let's get to cutting that. I'm probably going to remove my slip-on and we'll go from there. I hope I can remove the wet from inside the headers, because that's what that one guy did. So we're going to give that a try. So I was watching the video, so let's get to cutting. Literally shows that we only have one try, so like I said, I'm gonna try to get as close as I can. So somewhere right here should be
pretty good. I hope so. No. No, don't go too far.
I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is the next day. It was kind of getting late, and the old blade got dull. It's not even on both sides, but should still kind of work. I just gotta grind this off. So this one, I don't know if you guys, so I'm supposed to cut it like this. I kind of cut it too much closer to the cap, and see how too close. That's the amount that you should at least cut. So pretty much that one's just extra length. But as soon as I put it in, hopefully it goes even, and go from there. See, still my work uniform, but I'm about to change so I won't get this dirty. But yeah, like I said, that's why the bike's not here, it's inside. But yeah, oh my god, you guys, I had so much difficulty doing this all by myself. And like I said, it was getting late. I was up until 12 p.m. well, a.m. and pretty much I called it a day. But now that I have it clear, I'm just gonna clean up the welds a little bit, clean up, and then get ready to install everything back. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Sorry guys for not really showing a lot of things. It's just, damn, finally got it on there. I don't know if you guys saw them, but my cuts were all messed up, but still managed to make it work. Oops, wasn't even showing you guys. Still made it work. And I'm ready to install this thing. Like I said, sorry for not showing you guys. It was supposed to be kind of like an easy thing, but without having the tools or anything, it just made things 10 times harder. So, yeah, you guys really want to do this? I recommend either getting another pair of hands to give you a hand holding the headers, or the right tools, or you really don't want to deal with this, just buy a full exhaust. I really wanted to give this a try because it'll be cheaper, but now that I'm doing all this work, kind of, it could be worth it for some people. Some people might get lucky, but so you guys can see, it's all put back together, so time to just get it all installed. So.
First ride with the new exhaust. Oh man, hella excited. Look at him. Look at him. Cheesing and shit. It's a little squiggly out here. Kind of sketch. Sounds so good. It sounds so good. See this little hit right here. Definitely hit the spot. Here, coming back. It's your little tire of tables. Mind you, that motherfucker doing this shit at 10:13. Take over the vlog.
Let me turn it off. I don't know you guys can. Well, that thing took forever. I had to take shortcuts, as you guys can see. Everything's not even put back together, but it was exhausting, and
Exhausting, get it? Fun?
and it was worth it actually.